sun on ancient stone, whispers of a golden time. Mountains low, but spirit strong. Takeo, you're always mine. Rice fields dance in emerald waves, under skies so wide and true. Every road and smiling face feels like coming home to you.
From Angkor-Bori's sacred ground to quiet rivers flowing free, I hear the past, I feel it now. Your story lives in me.
Oh, Takeo, heart of history, land of pride and harmony, where the old days meet today, you guide my soul along the way. Oh, Takeo, strong and true, every dream begins with you. No matter how far I go, my heart stays in Takeo. From dust stands against the sky, holding secrets carved in stone. Generations pass you by, but your light has never gone.
Evenings glow with temple bells, soft winds sing a tender refrain. In your calm and gentle spell, I forget the world's loud bell.
Simple lives but spirits high, hands that build and hearts that care. In your dust and lullabies, I know I belong right here. Oh, Takeo, heart of history, land of pride and harmony, where the old days meet today, you guide my soul along the way. Oh, Takeo, strong and true, every dream begins with you. No matter how far I go, my heart stays in Takeo.
Time may change, the world may run, chasing lights that fade too fast, but your rivers, moon and sun teach me how to hold the past. Sude, land of mother's song, father's strength forever grown. In your name I stand so strong, never walking on my own.
Oh, Takeo, hear me say, I'll carry you every day. In my voice and all I do, I'll tell the world the truth of you. Oh, Takeo, proud and free, you're the soul inside of me. No matter how far I roam, Takeo, here we stand, where the quiet harmony, where the old days meet today, you guide my soul along the way. Oh, Takeo, strong and true, every dream begins with you. No matter how far Takeo.